Hi there! So I get asked a lot, suggest us a laptop that's something like a MacBook Air but is running Windows. And I can understand. For most hardcore Windows users, it's almost impossible to switch to a completely new OS. Don't worry, we've got something much better. Here's 2022's newly launched Asus Zenbook S13. Now I was in awe the moment I unboxed this baby. Slim like you can't imagine and light like you won't believe. It's the first time I felt that the MacBook Air is heavier and bulkier. My favorite part of this laptop is that it comes with a super high resolution OLED display which produces stunning colors. Clubbed with the Ryzen 6000 series chipset, performance that will surprise you. Now, even before I conclude, I can say this is one of the most portable ultrabooks you can get out there. But it's not perfect, because no laptop is. We'll talk what's good and what isn't, so you can decide if this device fits your need or not. Let's begin. So I'm going to start with the build and design. Now this laptop is slim, super slim at just 14.9 mm. Also weighing just 1.1 kgs, it's easily one of the most portable laptops that you can hold in one hand. The frame chassis is made of magnesium alloy that makes it more durable and also gives it a very premium feel. This ponder blue color totally stands out. It's more like midnight blue. On the left is a single USB-C port with air vents. On the right are two USB-C ports along with a headphone jack. The hinge is really unique. As you lift the lid, it raises the keypad section slightly, making it even more convenient while typing. The display goes all the way 180 degrees, so you can choose that perfect angle. Now the only thing that left me a little unsatisfied was when I had to open the lid. The hinge is a little tight and difficult to open with one hand, and I always had to use two hands. Of course, with time, I got the hang of it, but I definitely believe this could be better. Now these are small things, I know, but still worth mentioning. Coming to the display. Now it comes with a gorgeous 13.3-inch 2.8K OLED display with a resolution of 2880 by 1800 pixels. Now that's one super crisp, super bright and super vivid panel. And taking the experience to the next level is the touch display. Now even though I'm personally not a fan of touch displays, especially on laptops, I realize it comes very handy at times, especially when you're swiping or just going to click something really quickly. The good part is it's really responsive and works very well. Then the bezels around the display are also extremely thin, especially on the sides. On the top you can spot the 720p webcam for video calls. The clarity is decent. There will be some noise if the subject isn't well lit. Now we briefly tested for a quick video call and the overall experience was quite good. The inbuilt microphones were audible and clear to the opposite person. Then the Zenbook S13 comes with Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support. The best place to find vision content is on Netflix. The colors and the tones this OLED panel can produce are simply outstanding. Let's put it this way, if you are a movie buff and love to watch a lot of content on the move, then there's nothing beating this. The contrast and the colors on this OLED panel are unparalleled to any laptop display out there. Also, Dolby Vision content takes the overall experience to the next level. Adding to that is Dolby Atmos. Yes, this laptop comes with Dolby Atmos support and the speakers sound really good. It makes watching movies and videos so much more immersive. Then it comes with a chiclet keyboard that is backlit. It's very convenient to use even in low-lit scenarios. Also, you can adjust the backlight as per your preference. The keys are large, clicky, with very good travel. It provides really satisfying typing experience. The power button on the top also doubles as a fingerprint scanner, which is quite snappy and reliable. The touchpad too is very well designed, the highlight being the numerical keys as you press this button on the side. It's not new. We have seen this on previous Asus laptops as well. Now it comes very handy when you're quickly punching numbers. Very helpful for those working on spreadsheets. Coming to the performance. So the variant we have is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 6800U processor. It's an 8-core 16-thread that can max boost up to 4.7 GHz. Then we get 16GB LPDDR5 RAM, and that's the newest variant of RAM current in the market with the best performance. 1 TB NVMe SSD and AMD Radeon graphics. To simply put it, it's a powerhouse. I'm personally not a benchmark person, so just to give you some reference, here's PC Mark 10. So we get 5613. I think that's a really impressive score. Then further, if you see, Essentials is 8340, Productivity score is 8283, and if you look at the digital content area, you get 6949. Really good. You can see it's really good in photo editing as well as for video editing. So it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed and the performance is very snappy. It literally blazes through apps. Day-to-day tasks like Microsoft Office, email, surfing the web are such a breeze. In fact, we even used Photoshop and it didn't show any signs of lag. Now, we won't call this a gaming laptop, but yes, we did play Asphalt 9 that we downloaded from the Microsoft App Store. Worked so well. It almost felt like playing on a console. You can even play Counter-Strike and Valorant, but expect average performance. Also, technically, you can edit videos too. Not extreme stuff, but basic editing should be good. Coming to the battery. So we get a 67 watt-hour battery that will last you a full day of work. Now, OLED displays drastically help reduce battery drain. I've been using this laptop for about 3 days, about 2 to 3 hours in a day, and I've still got about 20% remaining. So I'd say the battery life on this laptop is solid. So it comes with a 65 watt USB-C charger that charges this laptop in about 2.5 to 3 hours. Now USB-C is so convenient. Technically you can charge this laptop even on the go using a power bank. So cool. So this Asus Zenbook S13 comes with the most gorgeous 2.8K OLED display that you can find on a laptop. Clubbed with the Ryzen 6000 series, it starts at 99,900. And of course, if you upgrade to more RAM and a higher variant, it's about 1,19,000. So coming to the big question, who is this laptop for? Well, if you're a student, it's an excellent option to consider. Now some might say 1 lakh for a laptop for a student? Well yes, a lot of students use the MacBook Air, which is around the same price. There you get half the specs, thicker bezels, no touch display and definitely no OLED display. This is a way better deal. So students who are looking for a solid long-term slim laptop can definitely check this out. Also great for office use, it's got a stellar battery life, and if you're traveling a lot, it can't get lighter than this. Also casual gaming is pretty good, Photoshop was smooth, video editing might not be the best experience but pretty much usable. It's a premium super slim powerful OLED laptop. It fits like a glove for everyone. I'll link them below in the description, you should definitely check it out. So I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, mention them down in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them all. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.